Welcome to this video. Over the next few minutes, we will show you what's new in Sage 300 version 2023. Sage 300 offers exciting new security enhancements needed for today's business. Let's start by looking at the security enhancements available in Sage 300 Cloud Web Screens and in the Sage 300 Classic Screens. Sage 300, both the desktop and the web screens, now contain a vault database which eliminates certain ISM files in our shared data location that contains sensitive Sage 300 user credentials. Moving this content into the vault allows us to eliminate the storage of Sage 300 user credentials on the file system, eliminate numerous security configurations and features in Sage 300 as they are now administered by not only MS SQL Server, but also local machine policies, which can include password expiration, number of retries, and system lockout. And lastly, to leverage MS SQL Server's authentication features to directly authenticate Sage 300 user credentials. Before the upgrade or installation, there are manual steps which must be performed. A MS SQL Server login must be created manually. You can use any name you want. To keep things simple, I chose to name the user Sage 300 Vault Owner. This login will be granted with the role of DB Creator and Security Admin, which is found under the server roles. 2 MS SQL databases must be manually created while logged in as the new Sage 300 Vault Owner user. The Vault database is where the authorization credentials will reside. The Stored database is where additional information will reside for the support of the Vault database. Upgrading from a version with the security enhancement to a future version will not require the steps involved as long as the new login and databases are already in place. Running the Sage 300 database setup screen from the server after the update will display the Configure Databases screen where you will enter the new database information. Once that is complete, the Configuration Portal database screen will require you to fill in the login information. Before running the database setup screen, make sure to back up the site folder in the Sage 300 Installations Shared Data folder. The Advanced Security Settings screen now only contains a minimum password length field. Local Security Policy is where the options and features removed from the Advanced Security Settings in Sage 300 will now be found. Many Sage 300 user security policies, such as password expiry, are now enforced by Windows account policies on the machine with MS SQL Server containing the Store and Vault databases. To learn more about new web screens and features available in this release, please refer to the Sage 300 Cloud Web Screen Online Help or the Sage 300 Cloud Web Screen Getting Started Guide.